the same way I told you last time, Umlife is getting so attached with this situation yaga Gogo, and at some point he's getting in Gamma feelings. Personally, I feel like Uzama Uk replace that emptiness yaga Dorothy to put it onto some other project that he can focus on that will keep him busy. Because tell me why he goes around asking for donations so that he can ask Ugogo. And I know he means this from a good heart, a good place of wanting to help, but I feel like he's doing too much and he's just attached too much. He gets donation, and at some point he goes back emdenini kagogo. And then usisi uyabuza ukuthi how twice in one day usuzofunani ke manje athi no, I've been around, I've been emateksini, I've been kuphi bengihamba ngicelana nama donation so that at least we can assist ugogo. Athi ugeli ke lutho assist ugogo, and ugogo akayi esibhedlela. So I don't know ukuthi ubani okucelile ukuthi uhambe ofunana nemali, because kwamina nje I never asked you for that. So angazi ukuthi leyo lento le uyithatha esisuka kuphi ke, asifuna imali yakho la. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Zwide. Tibatekwana, sanibonani, absheni, molweni, minjani. Ifukile hingongwina, so namuhla kano kwa hina wa House of Zwide. Kumakuruslo stamseka ngikahle, looking at the fact that Mampo and Sokalezwe, they are actually going through it all. Sokalezwe, if you remember in the previous episode, he did confess of everything that has happened in his life. Now Mampo cannot even sleep. She feels like uthwele umhlaba on her shoulders. And this does not look like the version of marriage that she wanted, because this is something else. Now, indoda yakhe ayisebenzi. Okungasebenzi kwendoda yakhe, she then discovered that, oh, the friend actually knew about it. The friend comes home. Utshela uMampo ukuthi, you know what, I think you guys are going through the most. And I just feel like it's time for me to move out so that I can give you guys space. Arbona, untlwaela blind wena. Wena re mo mathateng ha go mpolelle gore re mo mathateng a tšhelete. Know that you know gore tšhelete ya hao ya rent ra itlhoka, or wena you wanna move out. You are not going anywhere. And quite frankly so, because I feel like Umasanza is being very selfish. How do you decide to move out at the time when Umampo no Sokalezwe, they need you most? You are being very selfish right now and excluding yourself. Like, it does not make sense. When you did not have a place to stay, Sokalezwe took you in. Now Sokalezwe needs your support. Now you say you want to move out. Who was a selfish? And then now Mampo says to Umasanza, awindawo wosalamo. And then on the other hand, they've sealed another deal. The other sponsorship left, but they got another one, which makes things quite alright, because now he even offered, in fact, he didn't offer. Mulife called him to say he wants donation, and then Tato said he was going to donate 1.5. And I'm just sitting here, I'm like, the children on this episode, they're just way too big. 1.5, highest us.